For window replacement Harvey LA, homeowners looking for residential window replacement Harvey LA, energy efficient windows Harvey LA, and home window replacement in Harvey, Louisiana can improve comfort, reduce drafts, and lower utility costs fast. The right upgrade combines insulated windows, double pane window replacement, and weatherproof window installation to help manage heat, humidity, and storm season conditions common in Jefferson Parish. Whether you need Harvey LA home improvement windows or a full home window upgrade, choosing professional window installers and licensed window replacement Harvey LA specialists ensures a precise fit, stronger seals, and lasting performance for every room in the house. House window installation Harvey LA should start with the right product match, and vinyl replacement windows remain a popular choice for durability, low maintenance, and value. Vinyl window replacement Harvey LA options work well for both older properties and new construction windows, while custom windows Harvey LA can address unusual openings, architectural details, or specific design goals. Homeowners searching for replacement windows near Harvey LA often want a balance of affordability and performance, making affordable window replacement Harvey LA a smart option when paired with expert installation and strong frame materials. Broken window replacement and residential glass replacement Harvey LA are essential services when damage affects safety, security, or energy efficiency. A cracked pane, fogged insulated unit, or failed seal can quickly lead to higher cooling costs and indoor discomfort, especially in Louisiana heat. Window glass replacement and residential glass replacement should be handled by window replacement contractors who understand local conditions and can recommend the right fix, whether it is for a single opening or multiple windows across the property. For house window replacement Harvey LA, timely service helps restore protection and curb appeal. Double pane windows Harvey LA and double pane window replacement are ideal for reducing heat transfer and improving indoor comfort throughout the year. These energy-efficient windows help homeowners in Harvey, Louisiana manage HVAC demand while also improving noise control and condensation resistance. Insulated windows and soundproof windows are especially valuable near busy streets or commercial areas, and the combination of efficient glass and tight installation creates noticeable results. When comparing window installation services Harvey LA, look for options that support long-term savings, weather protection, and dependable performance in the Gulf Coast climate. Single-hung windows and double-hung windows remain classic choices for home window replacement and residential window replacement because they offer practicality, ventilation, and versatile styling. Many Harvey LA residential windows projects use these designs in bedrooms, living rooms, and rental properties for simple operation and easy maintenance. For homeowners seeking a more modern look, picture windows, sliding window replacement, and casement window replacement can bring in more natural light and improve sightlines. A local window replacement company Harvey LA can help compare styles and identify the best fit for each room and budget. Bay window installation and bow window replacement add dimension, natural light, and visual impact to living spaces, making them popular choices for homeowners planning a window upgrade services Harvey LA project. These designs can create a larger sense of space while boosting curb appeal and adding value to the home. Custom window solutions are often recommended for these larger configurations because precise measurements and structural support matter. With experienced window contractors in Harvey LA, homeowners can achieve a seamless result that complements both traditional and contemporary Louisiana home styles. Weather-resistant upgrades matter in the region, which is why storm-resistant windows Harvey LA and Gulf Coast window replacement Harvey LA are in high demand. Strong frames, secure hardware, and properly installed seals can help protect against wind-driven rain and seasonal weather changes. For properties in Jefferson Parish window replacement services should prioritize durability, code awareness, and dependable craftsmanship. Residents looking for residential window contractors. Jefferson Parish or Louisiana window replacement services should focus on companies that understand local building requirements and can provide reliable protection for homes near the coast. Window frame replacement, broken window replacement, and residential glass replacement are often needed when moisture intrusion or age has damaged the surrounding structure. A failing frame can reduce the performance of even the best energy-efficient windows, so replacing both the glass and the frame may be the most effective solution. Home window replacement in Harvey, Louisiana should always include a careful inspection of wood rot, seal failure, and alignment issues. With residential glass replacement Harvey LA and window frame replacement handled by skilled installers, homeowners can restore function and appearance quickly. Sliding window replacement, casement window replacement, and picture windows can dramatically change how a home looks and feels, especially during a full home window upgrade. These styles support better airflow, enhanced views, and modern aesthetics while still delivering practical benefits. Homeowners searching for window replacement. Harvey LA, residential window replacement Harvey LA, or Harvey, Louisiana window installers often want a trusted team that can manage every part of the process from measurement to cleanup. With the right professional window installers, custom windows, and energy-efficient windows Harvey LA, any property can gain comfort, beauty, and long-term value. For homeowners seeking residential window replacement Harvey LA, the right choice starts with professional window installers who understand local weather, humidity, and storm demands. Energy-efficient windows Harvey LA can help reduce cooling costs while improving comfort, and vinyl replacement windows remain a popular option for durability and low maintenance. Whether you need home window replacement in Harvey, Louisiana, house window replacement Harvey LA, or full home window upgrade services, choosing a local window replacement company Harvey LA ensures fast service, accurate measurements, and dependable results across Jefferson Parish window replacement projects and Greater New Orleans window installers. Window replacement Harvey LA should always match the style and structure of the home, which is why custom window solutions are in high demand. From single-hung windows and double-hung windows to casement window replacement, picture windows, sliding window replacement, and bay window installation, homeowners can improve curb appeal while boosting performance. For unique layouts, custom windows Harvey LA and new construction windows provide flexibility for any renovation or upgrade. Many residents also request bow window replacement, window frame replacement, or house window installation to modernize aging properties with better insulation and a cleaner finish. Energy savings matter in the Gulf South, and insulated windows, double pane window replacement, and soundproof windows are among the most requested upgrades for home window replacement Harvey LA. These options support weatherproof window installation and storm-resistant windows Harvey LA, which are especially valuable for Gulf Coast conditions. If your property has drafts, leaks, or damaged seals, residential glass replacement Harvey LA and window glass replacement can restore efficiency quickly. Affordable window replacement Harvey LA gives homeowners a practical path to improving comfort while lowering utility bills throughout Harvey, Louisiana window installers' service areas. Broken window replacement and residential glass replacement are urgent needs that should be handled by licensed window replacement Harvey LA professionals. Whether the issue is a cracked pane, failing seal, or damaged frame, window replacement contractors can provide fast, reliable solutions. Homeowners searching for replacement windows near Harvey LA often look for window installation services Harvey LA, window upgrade services Harvey LA, and Louisiana window replacement services that combine quality materials with expert craftsmanship. From vinyl window replacement Harvey LA to double pane windows Harvey LA, every project should be completed with precision and long-term value in mind. Harvey LA home improvement windows can transform an older home into a more efficient and attractive property. Residential window contractors Jefferson Parish offer services that include full home window upgrade plans, window frame replacement, and Gulf Coast window replacement Harvey LA designed for local conditions. With options like energy-efficient windows, weatherproof window installation, residential glass replacement Harvey LA, and affordable window replacement Harvey LA, homeowners can improve function and appearance at the same time. For dependable results, window contractors in Harvey LA and the surrounding Greater New Orleans area deliver the expertise needed for lasting value with window replacement Harvey LA solutions.